Hi guys, welcome to Martinmade. My name's Stephanie and today I'm cleaning out my pantry and I'm going to show you a few ways that I organize it. Okay, so today I decided what I was going to do is get my pantry all cleaned out. I'm going to get rid of some things that maybe need to get tossed. It's not a huge clean because I normally keep it fairly cleaned out because I try to use up what's in there. But I do want to go in and just make sure everything looks good. It's a beautiful day here, and so I have all the windows open and it's just gorgeous, and we've not had weather like this in a while. So I thought this would be a day to get outside and go do something, and so I went out and I was doing some stuff earlier today, and now I'm home and I wanted to get the pantry cleaned out. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, so this is my pantry. That up there is where I keep all of the extra stuff that we have. I don't usually keep it down where you can reach it because it's just extras. And so when we run out, we just get up and grab whatever it is and then do that. This is where I keep a lot of my stuff. I don't like keeping things on the counters, as most of you who have watched my channel for a while can tell. But I just throw most of it up there and just pull it down when I need it. My husband and I are really into coffees. So, and then the next shelf, I have my bins that are marked. They're marked for different things. I have an extras bin here. This is like if I buy like pasta and they don't fit, the pasta's not full, or is full, and I don't have anywhere, like I've got extra. So I just throw that in there. And so what I will do today is I will probably pull all of these and make sure they're filled with what they need to be filled with and wipe them down. I use a lot of these in Lazy Susans in my pantry for all of the inner parts of the shelf, all the way up until there. It just helps give me a sight as to what is in there instead of like having to pull stuff out and everything like that. So that's there. This right here, these are just kind of like crackers and snacks and stuff like that, and the canned goods. I keep my potatoes and onions right here. And then the bottom is normally like my extra oils and soap and vinegar and flour and some of the heavier stuff that it is to pick up. But so I've got to get down there and I've got to like sweep that all out and clean that out. This is another trick that I do. I will take and put something in there. So this is white corn grits. And so I will take and I will put, the sleeves for paper, like what do you call it? The plastic sleeves that you put in like the 3-ring binders. I'll take that and I'll write out on a 3x5 card what my recipe is for that, what I have to do in order to make the grits, and then I will slip it inside of that and tape it onto the front, and that gives the recipe of either how it's made or how to make it. This is another tip I just want to let you know about. So whenever I have extra shells of some sort or any kind of pasta, I will take and actually cut out a strip from the box that actually tells how it's made. And so then when I go to use it again, I'm not having to keep all these boxes of pasta or bags of pasta. I can just have the recipe right there and know exactly how long to cook it or the recipe that it needs. So I also do this sometimes. Okay, I've gotten that done. So now I'm going to head on ahead and straighten up all the snacks and just kind of go through each bin. I'm just gonna pull one out at a time and just go through it really quick and it'll be done. Okay, so now what I'm doing, I am actually getting down and getting all of the stuff at the bottom cleaned out, and I'm gonna sweep it. Okay, so I have finished the pantry. Everything is straightened up down here. Looks great. Everything is organized back to where it needs to be. If you notice the cans and stuff, I don't organize these as much because I kind of have what I'm gonna use first toward the front and then kind of stuff that's extras in the back. And then straightened up all of that. Cleaned up my area here, straightened up all my baking stuff and extras, and all of that was good to go. Like I said, I wasn't gonna really need to do anything there. And so that's the pantry. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. For those of you who are new to this channel, you can hit that red subscribe button down below. And there's a bell off to one side. If you hit that bell, you will be notified every time I upload a video. YouTube will remind you of that. And I also would love to hear from you in the comments. If you have any pantry ideas that you use, you can leave that in the comment section down below as well. I like to hear some new things. The past few videos that I've done, I've had some feedback on some questions that I had or some things that I asked. And so it was a lot of fun to hear those comments and to get to hear from you and your thoughts on some things. And so keep it going, keep it coming, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.